Hello. Today we're gonna make something. Today we're gonna make. Today we're gonna be. Hi, besties and people of the internet. Welcome or welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're gonna be making one of hubby and my favorite recipes, which can be either a lunch recipe or quick weekday dinner recipe. We're going to be making bacon truffle gnocchis. Yes, no. Which is a super simple recipe and it's super delicious. And today, just for you, I also got real truffle, not only truffle oil, because normally I only do it with truffle oil. Also got real truffle for you. I'm attempting to shred this. We'll see how that goes. Just for this I also bought a shredder thing, but it's not a truffle shredder thing, so I don't know if it's gonna work, but we'll see. First and foremost, we need a fun little drinky drink, because what are we without our drinks? This is the hydration. But we still need the fun drink. I already had my coffee, so we're good on that, but we still need something for my soul. We covered the mind. We got the body, and now we gotta cover the soul. Where is it? Did I lose it? This is not what I wanted. This is not what I planned. We're gonna be trying this one then. I don't know where the one I wanted to have went. I think hubby drank it or I drank it and I forgot about it. This could also be an option. It's awake with magnesium and lemon flavor, so. Cheers. This is surprisingly good. I had the peach one yesterday and this is way better. With caffeine! Perfect for me. Zero sugar with caffeine, we love it. We love to see it, and it's basically water, so everything we need, I guess. Let's go. Oh, we need some hair oil. Those are dry. Oh, they are dry. Should I just put some grease from cooking in there? Wouldn't that be cute? Oh no, it got worse. This is not greasy. You're imagining things. Okay, we're gonna need sweet potato gnocchis. Basically, you can take any form of gnocchis, but I love to take the colorful one for some color in there, visually effect. Yes, it would be better if I made them myself. Yes, it would be way tastier, but this is not the point of today. Making gnocchis yourself is so fucking hard, but they're so good at the same time. I can't wait for my era where I make pasta myself. Need the KitchenAid pasta thing. Bacon strips. Either heavy cream or cooking cream. I'm taking cooking cream because it's fat reduced, I guess. I'm gonna add all the fat anyway, so. We need parmesan. I don't even know how to say it properly anymore. I always just say parmesan. 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 Baby spinach. These are optional, but I just got them for you. It's truffles. We'll see where this brings us. Of course, we're gonna need salt, pepper, fat of your choosing, vegetable broth powder, garlic powder, chili or chili pepper. I love to use chili pepper with my pasta recipes. Started with Gigi Hadid and never stopped since. Do I have everything? Oh, technically this is also optional. You will survive without it, but it's a great addition to the flavor profile. Big words. Truffle oil. And I think that's all. I feel like I forgot something. Parmesan. Oh, okay. Do I have to wash this? Doesn't say to wash it. It's gonna be fine. And now we're just hoping I didn't forget anything, and now we can already start with the recipe. My favorite part about this is that there's no veggie chopping involved. Trust me, it's so good. I can't get my pan. Right. Also, technically it's a one-pan recipe. You would call it, I guess. First thing. Oh, this is gonna be an issue now, huh? I guess we're living with the fumes now. Okay. First of all, you want to heat up the pan. Just a tiny bit oil of your choosing. You could also technically skip this step of frying the gnocchis before, and also you would save more fat and more calories and make it more healthy, I guess. I'm not a nutritionist. I have no idea what I'm talking about. I can just tell you what. Oh, big stretch. I'm gonna put all the measurements of everything. I'm gonna put in the first comment in case anybody is wondering and wants measurements for this. You're gonna reduce the heat a little bit, tossing in the gnocchi, and then you're gonna toss them around a little bit until they're, if you like it that way, get a little crispy, You want to toss them around a little bit. Once you are satisfied with the results so far, you're gonna put them aside. Reduce the heat tremendously, like low to medium heat. Toss in the bacon. Get this all nice and crisp as well. Oh yeah, there's so much fat in there. You literally, if you don't want to fry your gnocchi, you will never need more fat in your life. Feels like this is enough fat for the rest of my life. I feel like I have to get rid of some of the fat. This is so much. It's gonna take a bit. Who's watching the bacon with us? You cannot see my kitchen floor, but obviously. Oh no, why is everything so wonky? Jesus, this is a lot of fat. This is why we have the fat reduced cooking too. It's completely white. Hi, stop. Gotta pay my bacon fee. Sit. Peanut? Oh, yeah, good job. Yum, 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 yum. Yes, this is what we want. Nice and crisp. Just as my bleached terrace. This is really a lot of fat. I'm gonna pour some of this away. It's more than I anticipated. I'm gonna burn myself so bad. Oh no, I lost my bacon. Oh no, it's still boiling. Now we have the bacon. Now we're gonna add in whipped cream. Oh yes, oh Jesus. Reduce the heat tremendously. Add in some vegetable broth powder. Salt. Not too much because it's already really salty because of the bacon. Some pepper. Garlic powder. Or not. Garlic powder, chili pepper, all the good. And I like to add already the tiniest amount of truffle oil. Just enough. Let's all get incorporated. You could also put the Parmesan on top, but I like to put it in the sauce already so it melts in the sauce. Then you're gonna wait until this is melted. Then you're gonna wait until this is melted. This might take a bit. Add it back in the gnocchi. What did I say about colorful variation? It's literally the same color. Taste test. If something's missing, I feel like some pepper, some chili pepper. Last but not least, you want to add in the spinach or baby spinach, whatever you can get. Let this fully fall into the smallest little piece there is because it's spinach. This is what it does. So much now and it's gonna be so small. So small. Stay hydrated. And awake. It's so not funny, man. You're so unfunny. This is so much better than I thought. I'm gonna be obsessed with this for the next few weeks and then I'm not gonna be able to drink it another 6 months. And you're almost there. Now we're gonna plate it, decorate it, and then it's ready to go. Top all of this with some more of the truffle oil. That will get you closer. Come here, baby. Please ignore my kitchen. Okay, just the tiniest bit of truffle oil. Not too much. This can be overwhelming so quickly, and that's why I'm so scared of the truffle. Everything I've done until now, I'm experienced at. I'm like a professional, if you will, at it. Now to the challenging part. I feel like I should wear gloves for this. Oh, I'm exposing my sink. I should really not expose my sink. Okay, this is the closest thing I could find. If worse comes to worse, we still have the potato peeler. But I feel like this was a good idea. It's so oily. I never had a truffle in my... It's not so good. Never had a truffle in my hand before. Okay, it doesn't go through. Oh, so pretty. Should I also add gold flakes on it? No. I'm just kidding. Oh, it's a big boy in there. Can't get out. Ah! This is truffle in the process. Some more. It's so pretty, I don't want to like, oh, it's such big pieces. I hope this works. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be so upset. I spent money on truffles. Beautiful. Not just someone needs to come home to eat this with me. But let's move on to the taste test. The most important part. How does it taste now that we added real truffles? Imagine they're disgusting. I'm so scared. Let's dig in. No, not for you, Dobby. You cannot have this. It's too much bush. Should have let it cook in the sauce for longer. Okay, let's try it with like tiny toony piece of truffle. I like the real truffle even better than the truffle oil I usually use. So I like this even better than the way I make it normally. Do I have to buy truffle every time? Bacon is crispy, the flavor profile is good, it's rich. Dobby wants to steal some. She's sitting in front of me right now. But it's food, she always wants to steal food. No, I am very satisfied by this. I would rate this a solid 8 out of 10. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for cooking with me and embarking on this journey with me. Thanks for being in the kitchen with me. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing, like all the stuff that YouTube loves. And I hope you have a great day. Dobby, you wanna partake in this? We finally have the sniffing. I never get a sniffing. Bye bye. Dobby, you wanna partake? No? Okay. You want the food, huh? You want the food. Okay, now she's ignoring me. Bye bye.